Cybersecurity has become one of the most critical fields in today's digital infrastructure. With the threats rising against businesses, individuals, and even national infrastructure, the need for skilled cybersecurity professionals is greater than ever before. The postgraduate diploma course at IIT Kanpur has been specially designed for trained professionals who want to upskill while continuing their careers. It's a chance to step back into the classroom and become a student again at one of the most premier institutes in the world. Developed by the IITK faculty, the program blends strong theoretical foundations with practical use cases. The graduates are prepared for diverse roles. These roles range from developers, researchers, and cybersecurity officers. Advance your career. Experience the academic excellence at IIT Kanpur. Join the online PG Diploma at IIT Kanpur, where we bridge world-class knowledge with real-world challenges.